first video. Hey guys, thanks for watching. You're watching my logics and I'm Pavitra Video. In this video, we're gonna talk about irrelevant natural sounds where Bangaloreans do while speaking. Let's go. Number 1. And no is so difficult word to say in front of friends, family or some other person for some reasons. So we usually use this sound. Okay. Number 2. Bangalore is always Bangaloring. Sometimes it will be raining or so hot and even we feel cold. It also has a mood swings like girls. We use a sounds. Shake andre shake guru Bangalore alli. Een joru male. Number 3. Right now in Bangalore there are so many people and we usually don't know their names. So we use this. Nimpers. Number 4. We use this sound very frequently when we fought with our bestie, friends or siblings. Yeah, there are some other disgusting sounds we usually use. Oh. Yeah, these are the irrelevant sounds where Bangaloreans do. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Please do like, share and comment. Please do subscribe because it's free. Thank you.